Head out to the weather deck, Weather Authority meteorologist Josh Kozlowski. And Josh, I was hoping we might break my favorite stat we got going right now in central New York right now with no precipitation or having precipitation every weekend since November 15th, 16th.
I know.
We didn't get lucky this weekend, but it still was very good. Most
of the weekend was good after, say, midday lunchtime yesterday. Yeah. And, a lot of today was decent as well. I think as we go through time this week, we do have some nicer weather coming up, Dale, but just a couple of weather bumps in the road ahead here. Let's talk about what's going on for tomorrow. We are not, I repeat, not in a specific color zone issued by the Storm Prediction Center. However, this map is showing you Western New York is under a marginal risk for severe weather between the hours of, say, 4 p.m. and 10 p.m. Now, despite this map, and the weather models I've been looking at, it still could certainly get a little closer to us. It's low. It's just not zero. And I got to be honest with you, in my 20 years experience forecasting in upstate New York weather, even on the low chance days, there can be 1 or 2 storms that get up to that severe level somewhere in our area. The main threat or impact would be some damaging wind gusts, maybe some hail, and also very heavy rainfall, thunder, and lightning, but it won't be until the very end of the day. So morning, lunchtime, early, mid-afternoon, I think we're going to be okay. If you did not get a chance to take care of cutting the grass over the weekend, I fall into that category. When does it look great for the week ahead here? I think Monday is going to be mostly okay until the very latter part of the day, so morning, midday is okay there. Tuesday, a little iffy because it's going to be kind of like hit, miss with rain and thunder. And then Wednesday and Thursday, like better days all around, drier conditions expected then. Triple Doppler, sponsored by Falso Service Experts. We got some sprinkles, even a couple of drops on my head right now as I'm talking to you. We do have sprinkles, light rain also down in the southwestern New York, the Finger Lakes, some yellow showing up here on radar. That would be some moderate rainfall, even some orange indicating a few downpours. That will be expected as we move through the night closer to, say, 10, 11 midnight. We're in the low and mid 70s right now. Humidity levels not too high, but they're going to be increasing as we go through the night. We do have a couple of severe weather watches down towards our nation's capital, Washington, over towards, say, Virginia and the Carolinas here. Tornado and severe thunderstorm watches with some storms there. This system moves in tonight, not severe weather, just some rain for us tonight, some downpours. This boundary out west tries to come in later tomorrow to trigger a couple of strong or severe storms after dinner time and right through the evening. We'll track it for you on Futurecast. Tomorrow morning, sprinkles, some light rain, maybe a quick downpour briefly, and then cloudy skies. Maybe, I think, after breakfast time, morning, here comes some sun. That's not good when you have morning rain and the sun just evaporates all that moisture back in the air. 3, 4 p.m. approaching, say, Sodas, Oswego. Here are a couple of storms right there, even into 6, 7 p.m. There could be a couple of strong or severe storms in the area. Not trying to make it alarmed, but making you weather aware. Keep it in the back of your mind as we go through time tomorrow and have that Weather Authority app on your phone with the notifications turned on. 77 tomorrow, quiet after the morning time, a couple storms, dinner time afterwards. Tuesday, hit or miss storms, 72. We got the Syracuse workforce run going on. It should be okay, but please check back for updates. Wednesday, some sprinkles, clouds, 77. Nicer weather Thursday, Friday. The start of the weekend looks good, 75. Saturday, Father's Day, Sunday, morning rain, but afternoon looking nicer, Dale.